The next concept is related to the data communication is signal and data. Basically, first we discuss about the data. The data is a unit of the information. This is the unit of information. It may be a numerical that can be collected to the observation. In more technical sense, the data is a set of values of the quantitative or the variables about the one or more person or the object. So the data is basically, it is in the form of maybe a information, in the form of maybe a graphics. So data is represented with the help of some digital pattern. So next one is a signal. Okay, basically the signal processing is a signal is a function that conveys the information about the phenomena in the electrical or telecommunication parameter. Basically, it refers to any time varying the voltage, current, electromagnetic wave that carries the information, means through which we have to transmit the actual content, or the particular signal carries some information. Basically, the signal may also define as an observable change in the quality, such as a quantity, in terms of information, etc. So basically the signal and data is used for the data communication. So first we study the concept of analog and digital data. First we study the concept of analog data. Basically the analog data means the human voice is the best example of the analog data. When the person speaks, the analog wave is created or generated and transmitted with the help of air to the next person. So when we convert it into the analog signal by mean of the microphone. So with the help of this, we have to transmit the analog data. Next one is the digital data. So the data stored in a computer memory, which is in terms of binary format. So this is called as a digital data, means we have to represent the content with the help of zeros and one format. So this is the data, digital data. Next we consider the analog signal and digital signal. These are the signal. First we discuss the analog. These are the signal which have the infinite number of the different magnitude or the value. They vary the continuously with the time. Means we have to use the sine wave and the triangular wave as an example of analog signal. Next one is a digital signal. So the digital signal basically called as a signal if it has only a finite number of predetermined distance magnitude. So with the help of zeros and ones, we have to define the particular digital data. This is not a continuous with the time. So with the help of square wave, we have to define the particular data. If we represent the low is 0, high is 1. So this is 0, 0, this is 1, 1. This is your digital signal, which is not a continuous with the time.